Now let's see a geodatabase practically from our ArcGIS Pro interface and also from our computer folder view. With this lecture, you have a resource file named Geodatabase, which is a folder basically. Download this and unzip this in your computer folder. Before opening this geodatabase from our folder view, let's see how it looks like from our ArcGIS Pro interface. This geodatabase folder contains a demo geodatabase which name is score.gdb. But before opening this in here, let's see from our ArcGIS Pro interface to compare this. To open this geodatabase in our ArcGIS Pro interface, we need to use catalog. We can use catalog pane or catalog view. Go to view tab in where we have catalog pane and catalog view. Let's use catalog pane and browse that folder from our computer drive in where we have downloaded just now. I have downloaded this in here. Here is our geodatabase folder. Now let's open this. Let's see what we have inside of this geodatabase folder. This folder contains a geodatabase named store.gdb. In our previous lecture, we already have learned what is file geodatabase and what is mobile geodatabase. And what is the file name extension of file geodatabase? It was .gdb, which means this geodatabase is a type of file geodatabase. In our previous lecture, we have learned geodatabase is a group of layers in where we have raster layer and also vector layers. Let's see, prove it. After explaining this, we can see this geodatabase contains multiple layers, which means geodatabase is a group of layers. In this group layer, we have raster layers also and some vector layers also. This raster layer inside of geodatabase is known as raster dataset. And this vector layers inside of geodatabase is known as feature class. If you see this icon beside of this layer, you can easily realize which one is vector layer and which one is raster layer. And if you see this beside of this vector layer, we can see some kind of feature type icon. What's this destination feature class? Beside of this, we can see point feature type icon, which means this feature class, which is a single vector layer, its feature type is point feature. And these vector layers, red sides, its feature types or geometry type is point feature. And this one is line feature. And this one is also point feature vector layer. These are feature classes. Similar with shapefile. Now let's add this in our ArcGIS Pro interface and let's see the features inside of these feature classes and what we have inside of our feature class. We can add this from this catalog pane, just drag and drop. Here we have added our road feature class, which contains line features of roads. See, it works same as like shapefile. It has attributes. This is the attribute of this feature. It has attribute table, same as like shapefile. Even we can edit this, we can digitize this, we can do everything in this feature classes as we do in our shapefile. Let's add this red sides point feature. So this is feature classes and this is geodatabase, which is file geodatabase. We will see also a mobile geodatabase by creating this practically. But before that, now let's see this file geodatabase from our computer folder view. See, in here, this geodatabase contains 6 layers. But if we open this from our computer, let's see what will happen. Don't be scared. This is our geodatabase, but you can't identify what types of feature classes, it contains inside of this geodatabase. To see this, obviously, you need to use this ArcGIS Pro interface. Without this, you will see this so many unknown files and so many files, which is difficult to identify actually. So this is geodatabase. And after adding these feature classes in our ArcGIS Pro interface, if you face any problem, say after zoom out or using full extent, if you see your world map looks like this, don't be scared. Sometimes it could be happen, but not all of the time. Sometimes it could be happen if the projection system of your this project file and the projection system of this feature class does not match. In that case, it would be happen. So don't be scared if you see this type of error. Just close this project and add a new project from Insert tab, New Map, New Map. It will solve your this problem. Okay. In our next lecture, we are going to create the file geodatabase practically. Not only that, we will create feature classes having 3 different types of features. Let's see.